In this video, we'll show you how to replace the mirror caps on your Ford F-150. This is located on the outside of the vehicle and part of the mirror. Let's get started. I'm going to use a pry tool. You can certainly use a flathead screwdriver for this, but you might want to use a rag on top of it. That way you don't damage any of your trim here. I'm going to come in on the back side of the mirror. I have a couple clips released, and then get our fingers in back there. We'll just pull out on the mirror. We have two tabs up top of the mirror. Go ahead and pry down on the black tab on the underside of it. You can start to push out on the mirror. Might help to have a second trim tool or a screwdriver. You can push out on the silver tab while pushing down on the black one. Now that we have that separated, we can remove the cap. To install the cap, you want to line up the lower tabs first. Get those lower tabs lined up, and press in. Make sure it's fully seated. The mirror has 3 metal tabs on the back side. You can simply line those up with their slots and press in. Make sure the mirror is fully seated.